In today's session, I'm going to tell you about why you need to validate your offer, why you need to market test your offer before you ever even start your business.
Hi, my name is Ed J.C. Smith, founder of the Champion Academy, where we bring out the champion inside of you so you can live life on your terms.
Alright, validating your offer, making sure that your offer works is one of the most important things that you can do today. So before you jump into your business idea, before you even consider starting, you need to do some pre-market testing. Now, this is something that people don't like to do. In the past, I wish I'd spent more time actually doing proper research before I jumped into a market. Now, I think it's very normal for most entrepreneurs to get excited and just to go for it. And I'm not saying that that doesn't work, because I'm about to go to one of our live events. It's actually the last one that we're doing like this, so really excited. I'm on the way there right now, so I'll do some videos whilst we're there. And you know, back in the day, I mean, I've actually been running this live event for about 5 years now. But prior to that, I just used to do kind of like get cold data, call the data up, get people into a room, and just do, you know, market testing in the room, because it was the most real and most raw. And then I would, you know, generally sell a consultancy service off the back of that. So teach them some cool stuff, find out what their challenges was. This is a pre kind of social media days, because, you know, collecting information about your offer, collecting information about your clients, collecting information about, you know, what people's problems are is the key to any business. And so, you know, I can't stress it enough. When you're validating your offer, that's the process of like whether it's going to work or not. If you go into the market, rather than thinking about what most business owners or entrepreneurs, they think about, you know, I'm just gonna, you know, this is an amazing idea from their personal space, and it may be an idea. However, go out into the market and test if that idea is relevant, if it validates. When I say validate, as in, will anyone buy it, right? I had a t-shirt business, and one of my best friends at the time, you know, he'd create all of these amazing t-shirt, he would create all these designs, excuse me, in his book, right? And we'd sit there, you know, we'd be hanging out, and I'd be like, you know, we should sell this stuff. And he was like, no one will buy it. And he had low self-belief about the concept, because it was just, you know, a hobby for him. And I was looking at these designs, I was thinking, like, these are amazing designs. These are amazing, you know, they look beautiful. Like, I'm gonna put it on a t-shirt and I'm gonna go out and sell it. And that was the validation offer. And he was like, no one's gonna buy it. And I was like, let's see. And I was like, look, how much do you want for the designs? And he was like, look, you know, well, are you gonna pay me for them? And I was like, yeah, how much? He was like, well, you know, £60. I was like, well, no one else is giving you any money for them. How about I give you 30? He was like, what? Anyway, so we actually went into business partnership together, all right? And we ended up building this company called Deviant Rocks, which was super successful. It was like again, it was just kind of like it was just a bit of fun, really, just how to have fun, really. It was kind of, actually, it came from a space of how do you get into a club, how do you meet loads of girls, how do you get in for free. And we ended up like running these club nights where I would get these agencies, these top model agencies, to send girls down because they would want to enter into our top model competition, because who doesn't want to be in a top model competition? And we actually did run a top model competition. We got loads of people every time they turned up to the club to have pictures against our banners, so it started to see, you know, it started to look like this big brand, but really it was just me and my mate, you know, pumping out t-shirt designs. We got to a stage where loads of celebrities started wearing it, and we never kind of pushed it to the level that it could have because of resources and time. And it's one of the business that I still think today, like, you know, because we didn't have like Facebook ads at that time, and I think if you're selling a single product like that today, it's super powerful. The point being is that I had this process of validating. We actually took the t-shirt designs to gyms, and we got people to buy it, and we got their feedback of why they'd buy it, why they wouldn't buy it. And so I think sometimes people rush into things too quick before validating the offer. So the key is market test your idea. Grab a whole load of people and see, you know, will they actually buy your thing? Will they actually take money out of their wallet and give it to you? That's the key, right? Because then once they will really pull out their money and give you the money, that's when you start to know and validate the thing that you want to do actually works. And more often than not, people give up because, not because it's not a good idea, not because, you know, of their low self-belief, but they just are missing a bit of marketing testing. They're just missing a little bit of, you know, understanding really truly what their client wants, understanding the true secret to business, which is business is not about money, it's giving, and it's giving value to someone else. What is a value to someone else? You know, it's taking a pain away and putting a pleasure in. Right, that being said, thank you for watching this video. As always, no matter what happens, never give up on your dreams. Keep checking out, keep subscribed. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Let me know what sort of videos you like. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna do some videos at the event so you can see. All right, till next time, no matter what happens, never give up on your dreams, and I'll see you on the next video.